This entire unit is about different ways of measuring concentration, how much solute I have in a certain amount of solution. We've looked at percent by volume, percent by mass, we've looked at molarity in detail, and now we're going to look at the last way of measuring concentration, which is molality. Now, I'm going to give you the formula for molality, and then we'll work through one example problem together. Molality, which sounds a lot like molarity, but they are very different. Molality is the number of moles of solute, so that's the same, number of moles, that's the same as molarity, nothing new yet, divided by the number of kilograms, so not liters, kilograms of solvent. So notice before with molarity, it was number of moles of solute, that was the same, divided by liters of solution. Now it's kilograms of solvent. All right, so just slightly different, but otherwise the calculations will be very similar. So it asked me to calculate the molality of a solution if it has 17.2 grams of ethylene glycol and it's dissolved in 0.500 kilograms of water. So I'm calculating my molality right now. Now, I need to find the number of moles of my solute. This is my solute. I know the number of grams, which is 17.2 grams. I need to convert that into moles now. So I'm going to put grams on bottom, moles up top. Okay. Ethylene glycol, the formula is C2H6O2, so you need to find the molar mass, and I got 62.08 grams for every 1 mole. And so when I calculate this, I get 0.277, 0.618, etc., etc. And the units are moles. Now, a lot of people are struggling with how to properly round, since you're not supposed to round to the number of sig figs until the end, how I don't have to write this entire number. If you look right here, this is a 0. This 0 is barely going to impact the rest of my number. So I'm going to just round this to 0.277. Now, if this were a 4 or a 5 or even a 3, I would keep writing it out. But once I see a 0, I know, okay, I'm good. That 0, the fact that I'm not including the 0/1 that it might become, I'm good. So this is 0.277 moles. Now I'm going to plug this in up here, so 0.277 moles. And I'm going to divide that by my number of kilograms, which is 0.500 kilograms, because it's kilograms of solvent, which is my water. And now you just have to solve it. So I want you guys to solve this. The units for molality are a little m, and that stands for, I'll write this down here, that stands for molal. Molal. So instead of molar, molal. Okay. What I want you to do is I need you to work through number 1 after you have found the answer for this problem. I need you to complete all of number 1. And that's it.